Okay, so I'm sitting here working, and I happen to get up, and as I walked past the window, I saw this huge creature out on, sitting out on the rail of my deck, and I just have been sitting here for a few minutes just watching it, and I'm not a bird expert by any measure, but it looks like some kind of hawk. And I've seen these out here a lot. There's a big field out here behind my house, and I watch them hunt for food. Obviously, there are a lot of small animals in the field back here. There's mice and rabbits, and I don't really know what hawks eat, but obviously there's something here because they're out here all the time. And a lot of times I see them sitting on a branch of a tree and on a rooftop or fireplace or something like that. And it got me thinking, well, a lot of times I just was thinking about the perspective that this hawk must have when he's up in the sky. And, sometimes I see them really, really high. And they're just standing there with their wings spread out, kind of just in one spot. But the wind around them is blowing. But they know how to hold themselves still and how to maneuver so that they can focus and see what they need to see down below. We don't see hawks running around on the ground looking for their food. And I think, again, I'm always looking for metaphors in nature and in things that happen in life in general. And I was just thinking, wow, this hawk gets a really, really big picture perspective when he's up above. And he can see, really, when he's up in the air, he can see everything around him. When he's at certain heights, he can see everything around him. So sometimes he's flying up in the sky, and other times he's sitting on a perch somewhere looking down. And inevitably, when he sees what he wants, which is his food, he goes down in and he goes for it. And I was just sitting here thinking about that. Well, a lot of times that's how we are about our goals. We're up, we are juggling a lot of things in life, and we're up, we have to give ourselves that big picture up in the sky and look at all of our goals. And then when we see the one, or we choose the one that we want to manifest, then we go in and we direct all our energy toward it. And that's what this hawk does too. And there's going to be a moment, and probably after I turn the camera off, but there's going to be a moment that this hawk, he's looking at the big picture right now, and he's looking for food, and he hasn't found it, or he hasn't picked the one that he wants yet. But when he does, he's going to go in for the swoop, and he's most likely going to get it. And I forget too, they eat snakes, I think. I think I saw one eating a snake one time. But anyways, it doesn't matter, because he's obvious. I don't know if you can tell how big he is. He's really big. I wouldn't mess with him. And if I had a small dog, believe me, he wouldn't be out there anywhere near this environment. Oh, there goes a plane. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Anyways, just great lessons that we can pick up from nature, and obviously he's doing what is natural, and his survival depends upon it. So it's good to take a break. It's really, really windy today, and some of the strongest winds we've had in Chicago in 100 or more years. And this hawk is taking some cover here, and he's shielded by a lot of the stronger winds. And I think sometimes in life we have to do that too. And like I said, there's going to be a moment that he clarifies his next meal, and that'll be his goal. And when he does, and he's ready, he's going to swoop down and go directly to it, and get it in one fell swoop, most likely. So anyways, just a great metaphor, something to think about. and just reveling in nature, and take these little lessons wherever you find them, and have a great day. From everyone at GoalGuru.com, live your dreams.